So these are a lifter. They're roller lifters, and when they're good, like this one, if you try to push that down, it won't go down. They hold pressure. So as they fill up with oil, they hold pressure, so it cannot be pushed down. So right now, with this lifter, there was a push rod pushing it down. It will be able to go down. This one will not move. You mark the bad ones in yellow. There were just 2 bad ones. And so this one right here, you go to push it down. Can't do it without 2 hands. It drops in, even with your finger. Like, this should not move, and it pushes in. I don't know if you can see that. So it goes in. But a good one will not do. Oh, that's the other bad one. So these they move. You can physically get it to move. But a good one, you go to push it in, and it doesn't move. They're solid. And so these were all the good ones. So that, like, it doesn't move at all. So when they move, that's what the little ticking noise is that it just causes a ticking. So, but to replace the lifters, you have to pull both heads off, put 2 new head gaskets, put a new intake manifold gasket, new exhaust manifolds, and the right way to do it is to do all of them, and the right way to do it is to put new head bolts. And they're like $60 for the set or something. And this is the intake manifold gaskets as well. So retail for this job is a lot of money. And the only thing wrong with the car is one of these little $50 guys was bad. And so when they brought it back to me, still made that noise. So they were able to pull a valve cover gasket off, and there was still one that was collapsed. So one of the brand new ones had to be replaced. So it's all good now.